If your hair is breaking, thinning, or refuse to grow, try this onion and black tea combo. Your hair will change faster than you expect. This simple kitchen remedy is going viral everywhere because it transforms hair so fast. Onion boosts blood flow and targets new growth, while black tea stops shedding instantly and darken your hair natural. So let me show you exactly how to make it so your hair can also become longer, thicker, and fuller in a short time. You will not believe what this combo will do to your hair until you try it. Believe me, you will never regret trying this combo. Our first ingredient is black tea. Black tea is loaded with caffeine that stops hair fall instantly, strengthen weak roots, and make your hair natural, darker, and fuller. Okay, use any type of black tea you have. The one I'm using is the one I can find available in my area, so I'm using 2 bags of my black tea. If you are using raw black tea, you can just use 1 or 2 tablespoons of your black tea. Okay, so this bag of black tea is equivalent to 1.5 tablespoon of black tea. Okay, so once I transfer that, I'll open it up and pour it into this my bowl. I will keep it aside and move to my second ingredient. My second ingredient is Cloves. Cloves boost blood circulation so fast that your hair will grow thicker, stronger, and longer. They also fight dandruff and keep the scalp super healthy. Don't joke with Cloves. You have a lot of benefits on using Cloves on your hair. Guys, just try to be using Cloves and believe me, you will see huge transformation on your hair. I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my Cloves. My third ingredient is sage. Sage is a powerful herb that reduces hair thinning, boosts new growth, darken the hair natural, and also keep the scalp clean and healthy. Sage is very powerful. There's a lot of benefits you can get on using sage on your hair. Please do more research on it, okay, and you'll be mind blown. So this is how my sage is look like. I will scoop out only 1 tablespoon of my sage. This is our first step of this recipe. Okay, so we still have more ingredients to add on it later on. So now, after putting these 3 powerful ingredients together, next thing now is to infuse it. It can do well to boil them. If you want to use your ingredients immediately, don't have that time of infusing it for 8 hours or 12 hours, you want to use it immediately, please do well to boil it. Okay, but while boiling it, make sure you boil it in a low firm light. Okay, do not boil it in a high heat. Boil it like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, don't boil it more than 3 to 5 minutes so that you not kill the nutrients of the ingredients, and also do not boil it in a high heat so that you also will not kill the nutrients of the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to pour hot water into my jar contain my ingredients. I'll keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. Yes, so that's how I like my ingredients to infuse, so that I will get all the nutrients out of the ingredients, making the tea spray or the treatment very powerful, very potent, and extremely powerful. So while my ingredient is infusing, let's prepare the next ingredient. Our next ingredient we are going to prepare is onion. Use purple onion for best results, but if you cannot find purple onion around you, you can only find white onion. Also make use of it, but purple onion is more potent, more powerful than white onion. Okay, so onion is a powerful hair growth activator packed with sulfur. It repairs damaged strands, wake up sleeping follicles, and stop breakage like magic. Yes, there is no joke. Onion is very, very powerful. If you really want to grow your hair super faster, if you want to get that thicker hair, stop shedding, breakage, even itchy scalp and dandruff, onion is one recipe I would recommend for you. It will help you super, super fast to achieve that faster result. There is no joke. Onion work like magic. Yes. So if you believe on what I just said about onion, let me know in comment section below. Okay, so what I just did is peel off the skin of my onion, wash it very well, then I use this grater to grate it. If you have blender, you can also use blender to blend it, because blender will do more faster. Okay, so I'm using grater to grate it so that you don't have any excuse not to prepare this. Okay, like for so those people that always asking me they don't have blender, if they whether they can use grater or mortar. Yes, you can use grater or mortar to pound it. All you need is the onion juice. Okay, so after grating mine, I bring another bowl and my shifter to strain out the onion juice. What we need is the onion juice. The chaff now is no longer useful to us. Okay, and while straining this, make sure you use something that have very tiny holes so that onion residues will not enter into the juice. Okay, because once the onion particles or residues enter into the juice, it will stuck on your hair, and before you rinse it out is not an easy work. So make sure you use something that have very tiny hole so that you not have any bad experience on that. Okay, so this is what I have. So this is the amount of onion juice I got in that particular medium size of my onion. So moving to next ingredient is my aloe vera. Please, if you have fresh aloe vera juice, please feel free to make use of it. Okay, and also if you have aloe vera gel store bottle, make use of it. So the one I'm using now is aloe vera gel store bottle. Aloe vera deep hydrate the hair, seal in the moisture, stop dryness, and make the hair look thicker, shiner, and extremely manageable. There is no joke. So I make use of 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera gel store bottle. If you are using fresh aloe vera gel, you can make use of 1 spoon or 2 spoon. Okay, so what I'm doing now is to make sure that the aloe vera and the onion juice have combined properly together to mix them very well. So after mixing them, I will keep it aside and bring my infused ingredient. Is 12 hours already. Okay, so now the next thing I will do now is to bring another bowl and a shift cloth to collect my powerful spray. Okay, so this spray is ready for this moment because it's already 12 hours. Yes, as you can see, is very, very potent in the color. Is very, very powerful because the ingredients have released their nutrients into this spray, making this spray that powerful, that effective, and that potent. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So next thing now is to bring the mixture of the aloe vera and the onion juice together. So the little bowl is the bowl of the aloe vera and the onion juice, while the bigger bowl, the darker one, is the bowl of the Cloves, black tea, and sage. Okay, so these are the ingredients we are using on this recipe, but there are still more ingredients I will add on it for extra boost. Okay, so what I do now is to combine this together. I will take like 12 spoons of this mixture of my Cloves, black tea, and sage. I will transfer it into the bowl that contain the onion juice and the aloe vera gel. Okay, I hope you're understanding me. This combo works because black tea stops shedding, Cloves speed up new growth, onion activates the hair follicles, sage thicken up your hair strands, and aloe vera also moisturize and thicken your hair strands. Together they transform your hair faster than most expensive products. Next thing I add on it is my essential oil. Use any essential oil you have available. The one I'm using is Cloves essential oil. Together those ingredients create a powerful growth formulas that help with hair breakage, thinning hair fall, slow growth, dandruff, dry or weak hair, and hair thinning. These ingredients are very powerful. Don't ever joke with them. This particular recipe will help you achieve your hair goals. I'm not joking. A trial will convince you, and also make sure you add every single ingredient I use in this video if you want to get that best result on it. Okay, so after adding my essential oil, I mix everything together. Next thing, now I transfer it to my applicator bottle. Now I top in the other recipe again on it. I hope you're understanding me, to make it more powerful, more effective, and more potent. So next thing, now I will cover my spray bottle, and this is what I have so far. Our powerful hair growth formula is ready to be used. This hair growth formula is very powerful, very potent, and very effective. I'm super happy to share this powerful recipe with you guys, because it's 100% guaranteed that this recipe will grow your hair, help you to solve those hair problems. I'm not joking. Okay, so now let me show you how to use them to get that best results. Okay, there are different ways to use this powerful recipe to achieve that best result. One is to use it as your pre-poo. Second is to use it as your final thin rinse. Third is to use it as your leave-in conditioner. And fourth is to use it as your treatment. Okay, so let me break it down. Pre-poo is a product you apply before shampooing your hair, while leave-in treatment is a product you use it as hydrating your hair first before you follow up with your leave-in conditioner and your hair butter, then see in with your oil on your scalp. Okay, so third is to use it as your thin rinse. Thin rinse is your wash days. After washing your hair, should be last thing you use on your hair. Then the fourth is to use it as your treatment. So the treatment is after pouring it all over your hair, cover your hair for an hour or some minutes, rinse it out, and then follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Okay, so these are the 4 ways to use this particular recipe to achieve your hair goal. Anyone you choose to use it, you get best results on it. Okay, but make sure you massage your scalp while applying it on your hair, because it helps to increase blood flow to your scalp. Okay, and also apply them all over your scalp and your hair strands to help to darken your hair and also thicken up your hair. Okay, you can use this 3 to 4 times in a week. You will notice reduce hair fall from the first week and visible thickness in the 2 to 3 weeks of using this particular recipe. There's no joke. But if you want to see how faster, how powerful, and how potent this particular recipe is, use it as your leave-in conditioner. Do not wash it out of your hair. Use it 3 to 4 times in a week. I kid you not, the way your hair will grow, the thickness, and the effect of reducing your shedding and your breakage, it will be mind-blowing. In 1 week, you start noticing visible result. There is no joke. Okay, but make sure you moisturize your hair very well whenever I use it as a leave-in conditioner to avoid dryness. Okay, so please use a very good leave-in conditioner and hair growth butter, and also tuck in your ends so that your hair will not dry out, because when your hair dry out, it will lead to breakage and brittle. Okay, to avoid that, moisturize your hair very well and tuck your ends in. Remember, we are into winter. Winter is not good with our natural kinky hair. Okay, so if your hair is thinning, drying, breaking, or refuse to grow, this remedy will change your hair faster than any expensive product out there. Try it for 1 week and come back with your results. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, please do well to subscribe. You never regret it, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all so that you always notify whenever I drop amazing videos like this. You will never regret being part of this family, because this channel is the best channel that can teach you how to grow your hair with simple ingredients without you breaking the bank. Okay, thank you so much for joining this Brave family. And also, please, if you have not liked this video up to this point, please do wait to click on that like button. It really helped me a lot. It helped the growth of the channel, and also it motivates me a lot to bring out more great content for you guys. And also, please, lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they'll get the good news on today's video and help them to solve their hair problems. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.